Right, I don't normally do kids rides, POVs, but this one is quite a nice one, so we'll make a bit of an exception today. This one belongs to Leigh Danter, and this one's the helicopter ride. Beautiful day down here today in Lydney. March 2022, feels more like June. Big shout out to all my subscribers. If you want to leave a comment on the channel, I don't bite. Nice to have a chat to some of you guys. If you're wondering what that is in the background, that's Leigh Danter Superstar. Well, I dare say, you know, it's a kid's ride, you know, it's probably not going to interest a lot of people, but it's there and it looks quite a nice little ride. It's just something different to add to the channel. There's not many vloggers that do put stuff up like this, so yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Right, so let's move on and I'll go and do a POV and probably do an on-ride as well of the Superstar that belongs to Leigh Danter. See you on the next one.